Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial we would learn how can we unhide the sheets in Microsoft Excel. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, in our previous video we learned how can we hide the sheets and the shortcuts we learned. Similarly, here we will learn how can we unhide the sheets and the shortcuts. So to unhide it, what we would do is we would just come to any of the cell, the active cell, and do the right click, and here you have the option unhide the sheets. And just after clicking you will get the box and here the list of sheets that are hidden. Just click on one of them that you want and press OK. Another option is, guys, just go to home followed by cells group format and click on format, followed by hide and unhide, followed by unhide sheets, the last option, and press OK. And here you will have the list of sheets that are hidden. Just click one of them and press OK that you want. As you can see, guys, the two sheets we have. And the another options, what is the shortcut? The shortcut is, guys, press Alt, then press O, then press H, then press U, and you'll have the list that you want to unhide the sheet. Just select one of them and press OK, and you get it. So you can use the same formula to unhide the sheets of your projects. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.